Everyone, it's me, Megs, and I am back with a V-part personality unit. I have upgraded and graduated from lace wigs now that my hair is a lot healthier to V-part wigs with a little bit of leave out. And this unit is by Nadula Hair, and Nadula Hair is one of my favorite hair extension companies. So let's get into all the details about this Nadula unit. I did wash and condition this unit prior to wearing, and this is exactly how it air dried. The texture of this unit is a Yaki texture, and that's one of my favorite textures to wear because it blends so well with my natural texture hair. And this is how it air dried. It has a little bit of texture towards the end, but that's nothing to be of concern. That's actually how the texture is supposed to be. Very soft. It didn't have any shedding, and I'm really loving the density of this V-part wig because it's not too thick. I don't like my V-part wigs extremely thick. And I will say it did flat iron very well, and this is how the texture looks after it flat irons. So it mimics relaxed and natural pressed hair, and so it has tons of shine. I didn't experience any shedding when styling it as far as when I flat ironed the rest of the hair. And this is a 20-inch wig, so this is a V-part wig, and I will have the dimensions of the V-part size down in the description below for you to check out. But I love this V-part because it has enough parting space where it's further back on the wig, right? And I also love that this wig has additional security like this elastic band. There's some combs within this wig as well. And so if you have like a smaller head like me, you're gonna need this elastic adjustable band, and that's like really crucial when it comes to V-part wigs because you want it to be very nice and secure, especially if you're a beginner. This band makes it so much easier to install. So the hair also, I love at the top, didn't have any flyaway, so it was able to style and really smooth out with ease. So it does have 5 clips at the top and some combs for some extra security, and a comb at the nape, and this silicone strip and drawstring at the nape. So it is a secured wig, okay? But I would highly suggest that you braid your hair down if you're going to be wearing V-part wigs. I didn't have the time, so I just decided to brush my hair back. I wanted a little bit of leave out because I am on a recovery hair journey, so my hair has been blow dried only so it could blend in with this Yaki texture hair. But with this V-part that I love, as you can see here, the opening of the V-part, there are tracks sewn around it, right? So there is no exposed tracks, right? So you can see they sewed some hair on the underside. So say if the wind blows, you will not be clocked like, ooh, your V-part tracks are showing. So I really do love that, making it a really nice natural look and easier to blend, especially at the top. As you can see, it's, you know, very finished, which will allow me to blend that leave out with ease. So I really do love that extra piece of detail that they paid attention to. So I will say this wig is very lightweight, okay? And that is a big concern of mine when it comes to V-part wigs, which is why in the past I tend to shy away from wearing V-part wigs. This one is really nice and lightweight, and I love the clips. It allows my hair to be secure as far as the V-part, that is secured and not moving, because you don't want a lot of tension hanging and tugging when it comes to your natural hair underneath. So this one was very, very, very comfortable, okay? And I think also what saved me, because this wig was a little bit big on me, the drawstring saved it. So with me being able to tighten that drawstring at the nape, really allowed me to get that security that I was looking for and needed. So this hair flat irons beautifully, okay? I love Yaki straight textures exactly for this reason, because it just looks the most natural. And I feel like when you want to have a pin straight look, the Yaki straight texture looks the best on Black women, in my opinion, because the blend is effortless. So it didn't really take too much of me having to use a lot of heat on my hair, because, you know, I am on a recovery hair journey. So me only having to blow dry my hair and it blends this well, I'm very, very impressed with this texture from Nadula Hair. So I was just able to really blend it, not add any extra heat to my leave out, and look at that. It's just very flat. I love how flat the V-part lays against my head, because, you know, some V-part wigs, they don't have enough parting in the front to the point where it has a hump in the back. put a hump in your back, and it gave that. And this didn't. And this didn't give that. And I really do enjoy this wig. It looks very, very natural. And I love the length, it being 20 inches on myself. And I'm 4'11". So this was like the perfect length for me. And I love how dark this unit is. It matches my leave out beautifully because my hair is starting to get that dark, rich color again. Since my hair is my leave out I'm referring to, my hair is getting healthier. So this blend was just on point and perfect. So like I said, it's not heavy, has a really nice swing to it. I love this density because I don't like wigs that are 200 plus density and it looks like lion. I want it to look natural. We're like, oh, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and this density is absolutely perfect. And this straight look with this texture is beautiful. I'm very impressed with how well my hair blends with this texture. The color is beautiful. It's very lightweight and it looks very, very natural. And I am very impressed with the quality that Nadula has now, because years ago the quality wasn't giving this, and I'm very happy with the improvements the company has made. And I'm just loving how this unit just looks on. It's very, very beautiful, very natural. Yaki straight texture is my favorite textures to wear with wigs and V-part wigs because it looks the best on Black women, in my opinion. It looks the most natural. It takes less blending of the leave out, less heat, less everything. So I really, really love this texture by Nadula Hair. They have made some major improvements, like I said, and I really appreciate the quality that they do have now because they've improved so much. All information about this wig will be down in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.